Love has been a timeless topic explored by great philosophers. Let's take a quick look at what some of history's greatest thinkers had to say about love. Socrates viewed love as a noble pursuit of eternal beauty and goodness. Plato, love, the pursuit of the whole, the desire for the lost half of ourselves. Plato believed that love drives us towards completeness, seeking our other half to achieve wholeness. Aristotle, love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. Aristotle emphasized the deep connection and unity that love creates between two individuals. Epicurus, the most important means to secure continual happiness is the possession of friendship. Epicurus highlighted the value of friendship as an essential component of love and a key to happiness. Pythagoras, love that shines from within cannot be darkened by obstacles of the world. Pythagoras emphasized the enduring and resilient nature of true love. Euripides, he is not a lover who does not love forever. The playwright Euripides stressed the eternal and unwavering aspect of true love. Empedocles, love is the force that binds all things together. Empedocles described love as a cosmic force that unites all elements of the universe. Xenophon, there is no good thing on earth except for love. Xenophon, a student of Socrates, believed that love was the highest good one could possess. Diotima, as recorded by Plato, love is the child of poverty and plenty. In Plato's Symposium, Diotima describes love as a force that compels us to seek what we lack, a blend of need and abundance. Heraclitus, all things come to pass through the compulsion of love. Heraclitus suggested that love is a fundamental force that drives change and transformation in the world.